Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check the seller name and store ID on Amazon. Whether you're verifying a seller's credibility before making a purchase or tracking down a specific store for future reference, knowing how to locate this information is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access the full product details and seller information that we'll need for this tutorial. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page, click on it, and type in the product you're looking for. This could be anything you're interested in purchasing or researching. Hit enter or click the search icon to bring up the results. You'll now see a list of products related to your search. Take a moment to browse through these results and find the specific product you want to check. Once you've located it, click on the product listing to open its detailed page. This is where all the important information about the item and its seller is displayed. On the product page, look over to the right panel where you'll see pricing and purchase options. Specifically, locate the area just under the Buy Now button. This section contains crucial seller details that many shoppers overlook but are essential for making informed decisions. In this section, you'll notice a label that says Sold By, followed by the seller's name. This is your first piece of information, the actual name of the seller offering this product. To dig deeper and find the store ID, click directly on the seller's name. This action will redirect you to the seller's storefront page, giving you access to more detailed information about their business. Once you're on the seller's page, take a look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This is where the store ID is hidden. You'll need to identify the part of the URL that comes immediately after the word seller. This string of characters is the unique store ID assigned to that particular seller on Amazon. You can select and copy this ID if you need to save it for reference or use it for verification purposes. And there you have it. You've successfully located both the seller name and store ID on Amazon, giving you the tools to make more informed purchasing decisions and track sellers more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.